Okay, so this part we're going to show about the KVM workstation. As you can see right now, we have two small monitors connected to is the two KVM receivers, then one keyboard and mouse, and then the video is showing here. And now I'm going to use the keyboard and mouse to do the controls on the two inputs. Right now, actually, we can just move, perhaps moving the from the between and add when I'm forgetting that. You see, we can just go back to this one. Now that we can should be two PCs. We also need to try back to switch the tools to the screen. And I respond to that. Same thing we can use the baseline is actually ground to the state. The balance early determination statements. This ways. So now we have something to review the source here on the website. And then we also need to strategy for static screen and things. And the site based one, we also got the video machine things and this the whole practice that we're covering. Now we just to the video control increase. Previously we Windows on video. Now we can use graphics. And then it's to video format. So it's now that we can actually basically that's where it should be. So we are looking at this vacation and it's really fine. Pretty much it's not even use chemistry. So on the workstation we only have the PD the cameras. I see Windows PD the cameras. So it's only the value of screen and I'm sure on the video. The PC puncher. Okay, so basically, KVM workstation to capture the source and also capture the contents on the video. Okay, thank you.